Good morning. Thank you for calling Premium Hotel. This is Arjun speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to reserve a room, please.
Certainly, sir. What date would you like to make your reservation?
May 9, 2025.
And how many nights do you intend to stay, sir?
2 nights.
For how many guests, sir?
Just me.
Noted, sir. One moment. Let me just check the availability of rooms on that date. Thank you for waiting, sir. I am glad to inform you that we have 2 rooms available on that date. We have double room. It has 2 double beds, Wi-Fi, fully air conditioned, toiletries, non-smoking room, telephone, cabinet, hair dryer, hot and cold shower for only 5,000 pesos per night. And also, we have executive room. It has king-size bed, Wi-Fi, fully air-conditioned, non-smoking room, telephone, cabinet, hair dryers, toiletries, hot and cold shower, and a beautiful Taal view. It costs 8,000 pesos per night. Which of these do you prefer, sir?
The executive room, please.
Do you like to add breakfast, sir?
Yes, please.
American breakfast or continental breakfast?
American breakfast.
Okay, sir. Shall we proceed on the reservation process, and I'll be asking some information. May I know your full name, sir?
Matthew Garcia.
Sir, your name is spelled in Mattthew, and your surname, sir, is Garcia.
Yes.
May I know your contact number and email address, sir?
0932-5886-462 and matthewgarcia@gmail.com.
And also, may I have your complete address, sir?
Lucao, Dagupan City.
May I know if you are affiliated to any company, sir?
No.
Okay, sir. Your reservation is recorded. How would you like to settle your bill, sir?
Can I pay upon arrival?
Yes, sir. Do you have any special request, sir?
Nothing.
Okay, sir. May I confirm your reservation? We wish to confirm your reservation, sir, under your name, Neil Matthew Garcia, with a contact number of 0932-588-6462. And your email address, sir, is matthewgarcia@gmail.com from Lucao, Dagupan City. You are checking in on May 9, departing on May 11, staying in our executive room for only 16,000 pesos. You wish to settle your bill upon your arrival. Did I get all the information correct, sir?
Yes.
By the way, we will be sending a confirmation letter after this call via email. Meanwhile, your confirmation number is 2113.
Okay.
Is there anything else, sir?
Nothing.
Okay, sir. We would like to inform you that our check-in time is 3 o'clock in the afternoon and our check-out time will be 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Premium Hotel for your accommodation needs. And we wish to see you on May 9.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hotel, good morning, sir. Welcome to Premium Hotel. I am Arjun. How may I assist you today?
Hello, good morning. I would like to make a check-in, please.
Surely, sir. Do you have done your reservation process or you have a booking guest?
I've done my reservation process under my name, Neil Matthew Garcia.
That's great, sir. Do you have a booking confirmation?
Yes, sir. I have a booking confirmation.
Can I please see it, sir?
Sure. Here's my...
Thank you, sir. And also, I can request for any identification card.
Here.
Thank you, sir. Have a seat, sir, while I'm checking your reservation. Thank you for patiently waiting. Upon checking in our system, there is a confirmed booking reservation under the name of Matthew Garcia. You reserve a executive room with American breakfast, access available from 6 a.m. up to 10 a.m. and non-smoking room, one queen size bed for 2 nights stay. Starting from today until 11th of May 2025, your room will be facing the Taal view. Your bills will be settled via cash amounting 16,000 pesos. And of course, the other expenses will have on your checkout. Did I get everything correct, sir?
Yes, that's what I exactly booked for.
Okay, sir. While I prepare for your receipt, kindly sign this registration form and also double check all information written in here.
Can I borrow your pen, please? Done. All the information is correct.
Alright, thank you, sir, Mr. Matthew. So here is your receipt. I've got all checked in. So here is your key card. And this is your guest card. You can show this to our hotel staff each time you use hotel facilities. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
None for now, sir.
Alright, please wait a moment. I help you out with your room and tour you to our hotel.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. That will be wonderful.
My pleasure.